Hi guys, and welcome to a brand new Redstone Showcase. You're here with Superdoggy, and today I'll be showing you how to build a basic slime cannon. Okay, so let's just get started. This is everything you need. It's a sticky piston, slime block, redstone, dispenser, TNT, any building block, redstone repeater, and a button. Okay, so let's just get started. You place a sticky piston like that with a slime block on top of it. Then you go and build kind of a tower like that and place a dispenser like that. Okay, then you just make this like a little staircase for the redstone to come down on, like that, and like that. Okay, so this isn't quite right. Could just make it like that. Okay, so then you go and place another tower like that with a sticky piston like that, with a slime block like that. Okay, and you make this one a staircase as well. Something like that. Okay, now we just go ahead and hook up the redstone like so. With the dispenser, the redstone signal actually has to go on top of it for it to work. Okay, so like that, that. Okay, then we just bring it out quite far because we're gonna use redstone repeaters to slow down the signal. So we're gonna need space for that. Okay, like that. Then we just place our button there. Okay, then we just place 3 of these. Like that, that. No, that won't work. We're gonna have to bring this out further. Okay, so we'll just make it like this and like that. Place the button again. As you can see, they all fire at the exact same time, and we don't want that. So we're just gonna go and change that quickly. If we do that, you can see that one's timing is better now. Then we just go ahead and make that one a bit slower. Okay, that's too slow. Just like that. Okay, and then we'll just give it a shot. See how it goes. Place some TNT in the dispenser for it to fire, and once you fire the TNT out of the dispenser, it is automatically detonated. So here we go. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Redstone Showcase. If you found this informative, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next Redstone Showcase.